What's up everyone? Welcome back to the TID Radio Communications Instructional Channel. Today we're going to be talking about the alarm or SOS mode, which is a special feature used to send out an alarm signal or a message in case of an emergency. Whether it's a high volume alarm sound or the sending of an emergency message, both of these can be used in critical situations. And while different models of radios may have different alarm mode settings, all of them are used to quickly send out critical information. So, how do you use the alert mode on TD-H3? First of all, we need to set the alarm key of the handset. The H3 supports custom functions, and as such, we need to set it as the SOS key. For this, click on the Bluetooth connection on the OD Master app. Select the TIDRADIO H3 version model to read the frequency, and long or short press the side key 1 in the optional function to set the corresponding settings. As for alarm mode, you can set alarm mode in the H3 menu 27. Select on-site mode and the intercom will sound an alarm, or select TX alarm mode. Finally, just long press or short press the set SOS key to activate the alarm sound. In an emergency, the alarm mode will emit a high volume alarm tone. This will quickly draw the attention of everyone around and ensure that they can take appropriate action for the emergency or provide support. I hope this video helped you better understand how to use the alarm mode or the SOS mode in the H3. If it helped, drop us a like. If it didn't, maybe drop us a comment. Tell us where it went wrong. Thanks.